Alden Richard update. May press conference si Alden for AR-15 moving forward concert niya. At di lang yan, nagpa-black sharing din si Alden sa movie na Meet, Greet, and Goodbye nila Bel Mariano, Piolo Pascual at Joshua Garcia. Grabe si Alden eh. May support pa nga si Alden. Nagsama pa nga yung tatlong endorser ng video na sila Alden, Bel at Piolo. Yun know. Kaya yung pagkikita nila ang public shaming ni Alden organized by Alden Research. Grabe yun. Sweet pa nga legal eh.
Robin, tagal na.
Lumaki po ako, pinapanood ko kayo.
Malaki daw siya.
So are you saying?
Kasi, look,
Charing na.
sobrang bata
Are you
pa rin
seeing
sila
you wearing? Ayan, sorry.
Ilang taon ka na, Angge?
29 po.
Okay, tama. Mas matanda na ako sa'yo.
Pero mas mukha po kayong bat.
I was
Then yung press conference ni Alden.
I was never really that kind of person to ask for something material. Ang nagmamatter kasi sa akin are the things that's intangible or hindi natin nahahawakan. So I think being able to just be with my loved ones and the important people in my life is more than enough for me for these holidays. And siguro yung makapagbigay ng regalo, mas nabubuo kasi, mas masarap kasi sa pakiramdam yung ikaw yung nagbibigay. So, sana mas marami pang tayong taong matulungan in terms of kung ano mang pangangailangan nila sa buhay. And I think that's what I'm really looking forward to, is to be a medium for the stream of goodwill to come in. Kasi ganun talaga eh, parang every day when I wake up, minsan sinecheck ko yung sarili ko, okay, sino ba bang pwedeng tulungan today? Ano ba, may mga Tita Rose?
Kami po.
Send video account pa? Joke lang po. But kidding aside, right now po kasi, it's always about purpose for me. Bakit ko ba ginagawa to? Para kanino ba to? And that really technically answers the question. And the next step, that will determine my next steps on my decisions.
Yan o.
Thank you, Angelica.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.